How are you, students? Hope everyone are again busy with your studies as your exams are approaching. So no other alternative is there rather than studies. So here, whenever after your long hours of constant study, if you feel bored, you can come and learn with me. So today I brought coordinate geometry to you so that you can learn it very easily. So let's start out with the chapter. So here are the main formulas which we have in this chapter. Let's go through with that. The first one is distance formula. What is distance? If it is asked, find distance between two coordinates. So let it be x1, y1, x2, y2. How we are going to find distance here? Formula of distance, if the coordinates are AB, AB is under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. As per our convenience, we can change the sequence here. It's not compulsory that always x1 and x2 to be subtracted or y1 and y2 to be subtracted. For our convenience, we can change the direction also, like x2 can be taken first. If we are changing this x2 minus x1, it is compulsory that y2 minus y1 should be taken. Both to be in the same sequence. 1 with 1, 2 with 2. So this is the first formula of this chapter. Now the second formula where they can ask about find the ratio. So here for ratio we are having the formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. That is we are finding capital X, and for capital Y my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So as your rapid revision is going, I'm not going in detail for all the coordinates like what the points are representing and all. When we go through with few questions, you will come to know it automatically. So these are the main formulas which we are going to concentrate in this chapter. So let's start out with few questions so that you will be able to know about the depth of the solution, how you can easily solve it. So let's start out with the solution here. So here the first question is given P 3, 2 and Q is given 7 and K. For the given point, distance is given 5. So P and Q value is given and distance between them is given 5. How we are going to find out this missing value? So this is the first question here. As the distance is given, nothing but we are going to start out with the distance formula only. So what is our distance formula? Just now I explained you. If it is x1, y1, x2, y2, we are going to use the formula as here PQ is there. So PQ is equal to 5. It is given distance is 5. Whenever there is any missing value, better to take the square form.